Keep it cool, the art of using slang in moderation. Hey, language learners! Slang and colloquialisms can make your spoken English feel more authentic, casual, and relatable. But, like any spice in cooking, they should be used with care. Today, we're diving deep into how to use slang and colloquialisms in moderation. Let's jump right in. Slang words are informal language used by particular groups of people, and they can make your language sound current and relaxed. They often arise from cultural events, popular media, or shared experiences. But why do we need to use them in moderation? Keep conversations understandable. While slang might sound cool, not everyone may be familiar with the terms you're using. Avoid overdoing it. Just like too much seasoning can ruin a dish, overusing slang can make conversations confusing or even seem insincere. 1. Know your audience. If you're speaking with someone who might not be familiar with certain slang terms, it's better to avoid them or explain their meaning. 2. Mix it up. Use a combination of standard English and slang to keep conversations balanced. 3. Stay updated. Slang changes quickly. What's in today might be outdated tomorrow. Stay updated but also recognize when a term is no longer commonly used. 4. Be authentic. Use slang terms that you're comfortable with and that reflect your genuine self. Don't force it. 1. Misunderstandings. Overusing slang can lead to miscommunication, especially with non-native speakers or people from different cultural backgrounds. 2. Perceived insincerity. People might think you're trying too hard to fit in or be someone you're not. 3. Professional settings. In many professional or formal situations, excessive slang can be deemed inappropriate or unprofessional. Slang and colloquialisms are a fantastic way to add flair to your conversations, but it's essential to strike the right balance. Remember, it's all about moderation. We hope this video has given you a clearer perspective on how to use slang effectively. Keep practicing, stay genuine, and until next time, happy learning.